This is where intuitive layers begin. Exploring with simple art tools or natural objects or anything you already have. Moving slowly and staying present. Aligning your energy with your marks. And feeling the colors that speak to you. Exploring patterns that resonate. Finding your own visual rhythm through marks, meaning, and a gentle momentum. Creating with soul, one layer, one feeling, one true mark at a time. So begin your journey. Join my 5-day free course. It's a gentle beginning for anyone curious or returning to art or even starting fresh. The link is below. I hope to see you on the inside.